वेलकम टू माय चॅनल लर्न इंग्लिश थ्रू मराठी. तो येईपर्यंत इथे थांब. वेट हिअर अंटिल ही कम्स. वेट हिअर अंटिल ही कम्स. पाऊस थांबेपर्यंत बाहेर जाऊ नकोस. Don't go outside until the rain stops. Don't go outside until the rain stops. मी काम पूर्ण होईपर्यंत ऑफिसमध्ये राहीन. I will stay in the office until the work is finished. आई येईपर्यंत मुलगा झोपला नाही. The boy did not sleep until his mother came. The boy did not sleep until his mother came. शिक्षक येईपर्यंत विद्यार्थी शांत बसले होते. The students sat quietly until the teacher came. तो रात्री उशिरापर्यंत अभ्यास करत होता. He was studying until late at night. He was studying until late at night. तू परत येईपर्यंत मी वाट पाहीन. I will wait until you return. I will wait until you return. सूर्य उगवेपर्यंत आम्ही प्रवास केला. We traveled until the sun rose. We traveled until the sun rose. तो काम संपेपर्यंत घरी गेला नाही. He didn't go home until the work was finished. तू सांगेपर्यंत मला हे माहीत नव्हते. I didn't know this until you told me. I didn't know this until you told me. जेवण तयार होईपर्यंत थांब. Wait until the food is ready. Wait until the food is ready. तो शेवटपर्यंत प्रयत्न करत राहिला. He kept trying until the end. He kept trying until the end. बाबा येईपर्यंत आपण खेळूया. Let's play until father comes. Let's play until father comes. चित्रपट संपेपर्यंत आम्ही बसलो होतो. We sat until the movie ended. We sat until the movie ended. रात्र होईपर्यंत ते काम करत होते. They were working until the night. They were working until night. ती सकाळपर्यंत जागी होती. She was awake until morning. She was awake until morning. ट्रेन येईपर्यंत लोक प्लॅटफॉर्मवर उभे होते. People were standing on the platform until the train arrived. तो माझी वाट पाहत राहिला जोपर्यंत मी आलो नाही. He kept waiting until I came. मी तुला फोन करेन जोपर्यंत तू पोहोचत नाहीस. I will call you until you reach. I will call you until you reach. शाळा सुरू होईपर्यंत मुले मैदानात खेळत होती. The children were playing in the ground until the school started. तो शेवटपर्यंत धावत राहिला. He kept running until the end. आई येईपर्यंत मुलगी रडत होती. The girl was crying until her mother came. आम्ही रात्रपर्यंत काम केले. We worked until night. डॉक्टर येईपर्यंत रुग्ण वाट पाहत होता. The patient was waiting until the doctor came. तू परत येईपर्यंत मी इथेच असेन. I will be here until you come back. त्याने सकाळपर्यंत पुस्तक वाचले. He read the book until morning. पाऊस थांबेपर्यंत आम्ही घरात बसलो होतो. We sat in the house until the rain stopped. मी तुला भेटेपर्यंत मला आनंद होणार नाही. I will not be happy until I meet you. परीक्षा संपेपर्यंत विद्यार्थी तणावात होते. The students were stressed until the exam ended. तू सांगितलेपर्यंत मी काहीही करणार नाही. I will not do anything until you tell me. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.